Tooltips are a great way to help players understand elements of your game without being too intrusive. In this series, we're going to implement a simple tooltip system in Unity that you can use for both UI and in-game elements. To get started, we're going to create an automatically resizing text box to serve as our tooltip panel. First, let's right-click UI and click on Image to create a canvas for our background. Let's rename it to Tooltip Panel and change the image to give it a nice border. If you don't have an image, you can still change the background color for a nice effect. Next, right-click on our image, UI, and click on Text Mesh Pro to add a label. If we set it to center aligned, we can see that the text overflows. To fix this, we'll go to our panel and add a vertical layout group component. Let's change child alignment to middle center and tick Control Child Size on width and height. Now we've got our text fitting, but what if we add more text? As we can see, it's overflowed again. We need the panel to resize as the text changes. To do this, we'll select our panel and add a content size fitter component. Under horizontal and vertical, we set them both to preferred size. Now let's add some padding to the left and right to get the text fitting inside the panel. If we go back to our label and add a few more lines, we can see we need to do the same to the top and bottom as well. Lastly, let's make our panel into a prefab we can use next time we need an auto-sizing text box. Let's remove the text from our label, drag our tooltip panel into the project window, and rename it to auto-size text box. Now right-click our panel in the hierarchy and select Unpack Prefab completely. That's about it for this video. Next time, we'll create a system to add tooltips to objects and display our panel when we mouse over them. There is definitely a lot more to go through, even at this stage in the series, so if there's anything you'd like to see covered in more depth, or any other topics you'd like to see, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.